Hey, what's up guys, Himanshu here back with another video, and today I'll be sharing a quick tip if you are planning to sell your old MacBook Pro for something new. So let's start. Before doing all the steps I'll mention in this video, just back up your computer on your hard disk, on your external hard disk, so that you don't lose any data. So first of all, on your MacBook, go to iTunes and then account and deauthorize this computer. After that, sign out from your iTunes account. Next step, go to System Preferences and select Internet Accounts. You will see all the accounts on this computer, Game Center account, Mail accounts and iCloud. Remove all these accounts and you are all set. Now you have signed out from all the accounts from iTunes and from any third-party softwares also. Just shut down your computer. Again, switch on your MacBook and immediately press Command R. This will take a few minutes, and after that you will get this screen. Select the disk utility option and completely erase it like this, and if you have any other hard disk or SSDs in your computer, then format it too. Then it's just the matter of reinstalling the Mac OS. Going back, check your Wi-Fi connection. If it is connected, then tap on this reinstalling Mac OS. It is around 4 to 5 GB file, so be patient. It will depend on your internet connection how quickly it will get downloaded. So these are all the steps, and you can now sell your MacBook Pro without any hesitation. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like if you like the video and hit dislike if you don't like it, and subscribe. It's free. जो लाल बटन है दबा दो, रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन है बस दबा दो, ग्रे हो जाएगा, उसके बाद बेल भी दबा देना. Okay, and follow me on Instagram for all the behind the scenes and for all the latest updates on Himanshu Sharma TV and Himanshu Sharma YT, not TV, and CreatorShed too. So follow me on Instagram here.